Well, the infighting within the Congress is now evident. There are internal cracks in the party that are now out in the open. Former Congress leader Shakeel Ahmed has launched a blistering attack on Rahul Gandhi, accusing him of running the party like a one-man show. Now, Ahmed said that there is no internal democracy in the Congress, claiming that whatever Rahul Gandhi says is final. He alleges that Rahul is uncomfortable with senior leaders, acts like a boss and carries a sense of superiority because of his Nehru-Gandhi lineage. Pointing to repeated electoral setbacks, Ahmed said that the leadership lacks competence and that many senior leaders stay silent despite humiliation, only to secure their family's future within the party. Now, the BJP has jumped in, with spokesperson Shehzad Poonawalla citing Ahmed's remarks to say that the Congress losses stem from internal weaknesses, not vote rigging, accusing Rahul Gandhi of sidelining seniors and blaming institutions to protect himself.
वक्त होता है, आपकी यूटिलिटी होती है। राहुल जी की कांग्रेस में जो पुराने लोग हैं, जो उनसे पहले नेता हो गए हैं, तो ये सच्चाई है। मैं इसको झुठला नहीं सकता कि जब राहुल गांधी जी जिस दिन अपना पहला चुनाव जीते, उस दिन मैं अपना 5वां चुनाव जीता। मैं उनसे 19 साल पहले MP MLA हो गया। तो जाहिर है कि ऐसे लोगों को राहुल जी की एक होता है, आदमी का इनबिल्ट कुछ होता है, वो जिसके साथ बैठने में उनको ये नहीं लगता है कि हमको ये बॉस मानता हो, उस आदमी के साथ बैठने में मेरे ख्याल में ही इज अनकंफर्टेबल, वो सहज नहीं है उनके साथ।
मुझे तो नहीं लगता कि ऐसी बात है। मैं उनकी बात से बिल्कुल सहमत नहीं हूँ। राहुल गांधी जी तो उन्हीं लोगों को प्रमोट करने की कोशिश करते हैं जो लोग काम करते हैं पार्टी के लिए, जो जनता से जुड़े हुए हैं। मुझे तो लगता है वो अपनी खींच निकाल रहे हैं, और शकील जी अपनी खींच निकाल रहे हैं। हो सकता है कि उनकी महत्वाकांक्षा पूरी न हुई हो।
Back to my colleague Teshi on this. Teshi, of course, Rashid Alvida, Shakeel Ahmed and even Shashi Tharoor, and Shashi Tharoor more so given the fact that the Kerala polls are just around the corner. How exactly are these cracks panning out for the Congress party, given the fact that, their beef with Shashi Tharoor is now out in the open?
Well, absolutely. These all statements are going to dent the image of the Congress party as well, because as we were talking with earlier that, not for the first time that Congress leaders have made such kind of statements where they are unhappy by the senior leadership of the Congress party and the manner in which the party is being run. Because what we are picking up from our sources is as well that, yes, the senior leaders in the Congress party are very much upset because they believe that now the decision making is very much centralized, number one. Number two, their demands, their opinions are not being heard, keeping in mind the experience the senior leaders hold, the experience, the legacy that they carry.
Right.
That is not, in fact, respected. They feel disrespected, and that's why such statements are coming. High command of the Congress party react to it.